Hello guys, welcome to Mayay. Today, we are going to solve another math problem related to math problems in taking examinations or entrance examinations for colleges, universities, and any entrance exams like SASE, UPCAT, DCAT, USTET, and any other entrance examinations. Let's start with this one. If x is raised to 5/4 is equal to 32, then what must be the value of x? So if we encounter this kind of equation, we're just going to multiply both sides of this exponent by 4/5 to eliminate the exponent of 5/4. That should be 1. Okay? So, sunod mahitabo. Okay, so since we have here x raised to 5/4 times 4/5 is equal to 32 4/5. Okay. Now, diba, basta mag-multiply tawag exponent, all we have to do is just multiply it. Okay, so we can just cancel this out since 5 is also a factor of this one, 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 5 divided by 5 is also 1. How about this one, 4? 4 divided by 4 is 1. So their GCF is 4. So this one, 4 divided by 4 is also 1. Okay. So we will be left with x. So sunod, we will be left with 32 raised to 4/5. So class, diba na atay base nga 2, and then if we are going to raise it to 5, ang mo result ana kay 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. So pwede na nato buhaton. 2 raised to 5. Kay 2 raised to 5 is just equal to 32, diba? And then you put the exponent 4/5. So say mahitabo sunod, di i-multiply pud nato ning exponent nga 5 og diri sa 4/5. So makita man nato nga naay denominator diri nga 5 og diri na ay 5 nga numerator. And then ang diba ang fraction ani kay since this is a whole number, so iya ang denominator kay 1. So ang mahitabo ana ang kani si 5 ug kani nga 5 naa sila'y GCF nga 5. And now we're just going to divide it by its GCF. So 5 divided by 5, so 1. How about this one? 5 divided by 5, it's also 1. So that's why we will be left with x is equal to 2 raised to 4. So what is the result? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. That's why the result for the value of our x is equal to 16. Nasabtan? Okay? So that's the value of x. Leave any comments, class, if you have misunderstandings, okay? But please, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for listening.